What if the secret to building a better, faster, and more intelligent AI isn't to build a bigger brain? What if the secret is to take it apart? Today, we're diving into the project that sounds like a paradox, a transformerless system designed to run the most advanced transformer models on the planet. And it's coming from a company you might not expect. You might think, oh, it's certainly an American company. Not really. Surprise, surprise, it's Huawei. You've heard of ChatGPT, you've seen it write essays, code, and entire novels in seconds. That's a large language model at work. The foundation for almost all of them is something called a transformer model. Back in 2017, some researchers at Google created this incredible architecture. It was a game changer because unlike older model that reads sentence word by word, the transformer could look at the entire sentence at once, instantly understanding the context. It's a difference between reading a book one page at a time and being able to instantly cross-reference every page in the library for the information you need. It was a miracle, but there was a catch. As these models grew from millions to billions of parameters, putting them to work became a nightmare. We call this inference. And the bigger the model, the bigger the problem. Imagine a single giant factory. Everything is in one building, connected in rigid line. Now imagine you're trying to serve millions of customers from that one factory at the same time. You get bottlenecks, delays, and a lot of wasted resources. This is what happens with the traditional transformer models. The problem gets even worse with the newest models, which use something called a mixture of experts, or MOE. Think of an MOE model as a dream team of highly specialized experts. They are super efficient, but in a traditional system, they all have to share the same limited resources like one operating room. They end up getting in each other's way, waiting in the line, and wasting time. This is the exact problem Huawei set out to solve. Instead of building a bigger, more rigid factory, Huawei decided to build a collection of specialized microfactories. Their solution, called xDeepserve, is based on a concept they call the Transformerless architecture. It's not that they got rid of the transformer, they simply broke it down into its core components. Now the attention part of the model gets its own dedicated hardware. The MOE experts get their own. The work is disaggregated. They took this idea even further with two brilliant moves. First, they separated the work. When you type a prompt, that's a computer have a task. When the model generates a response, that is a memory have a task, one token at a time. xDeepserve separates these two jobs onto different NPU clusters so they can get optimized independently. Think of it like the chef preps ingredients for everyone, while a team of specialized cooks quickly finishes the serve each dish one by one. Think of it like the chef preps the ingredients for everyone, while a team of specialized cooks quickly finishes and serves each dish one by one. The whole kitchen runs faster and more efficiently. Second, they fixed the expert problem. They gave each of their specialized experts their own dedicated workspace and built a high-speed communication network between them and the attention block. This solved the bottleneck problem, allowing everything to run in parallel without a hitch. This entire system runs on a piece of hardware you've never heard of. Maybe you heard of Huawei's Cloud Matrix 384. This is the monster, connecting 384 Ascend chips with a super-fast internal network. The software and the hardware are designed to work together perfectly, and it's that close collaboration that makes the whole thing work. So what does a transformerless approach get you? You're talking about jaw-dropping performance. The system can churn out 2,400 tokens per second per chip, but the real magic is the user experience. For even the most complex models, the time it takes to generate a new word is just 50 milliseconds. That's faster than the blink of an eye. The response feels instant, like the text was already there before you even asked. So what do you think? Is breaking down the brain the secret to building the future of AI? It is another major step in the ongoing race for global dominance in AI infrastructure. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay on top of the most important breakthroughs in AI, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye.